Dublin SouthEast was a parliamentary constituency represented in Dil Éireann, the lower house of the Irish Parliament or Oireachtas, from 1948 to 2016. The method of election was the single transferable vote form of proportional representation. The constituency was created under the Electoral Act 1947 and first used at the 1948 general election. It includes areas such as Ballsbridge, Donnybrook, Harold's Cross, Sandymount, Ranelagh, Rathmines, Ringsend and the central business district of the city. The Electoral Act 2009 defined the constituency as. It was superseded by Dublin Bay South at the 2016 general election. By geographical area, Dublin SouthEast was the smallest constituency in the country. It had a diverse socio-economic profile and a large transient population which is reflected in the turnout. The constituency had one of the lowest turnouts in the country in 2007 and 2011. Notable Dublin SouthEast EDs include former Taoiseach John A. Costello and Garrett Fitzgerald, the former leader of the Progressive Democrats Michael McDowell, maverick left-wing politician Noel Browne and former Minister of Education Ruairi Quinn. The former President of Ireland, Mary McAleese, unsuccessfully contested the constituency for Fianna Fáil in 1987. The "rumble in Ranelagh" is a term used by Irish journalists to describe an open argument that took place between candidates Michael McDowell and John Gormley in Ranelagh. While canvassing in the 2007 general election, Gormley twice defeated McDowell to take the last seat. In 1997 and again in 2007. Both times by relatively small margins. The 1997 result led to a mammoth recount, the longest in Irish political history, before McDowell conceded defeat. Note: the columns in this table are used only for presentational purposes, and no significance should be attached to the order of columns. For details of the order in which seats were won at each election, see the detailed results of that election. Unusually, all third seats were filled on the first count on this occasion. Subsequent counts occurred because there was the possibility that surplus votes of elected candidates could have resulted in another candidate reaching the threshold of a third of a quota, which would have meant their election deposit was returned to them.